This is section 4.7 part 2, and here we're going to learn how to make a perfect square trinomial. So we know the standard form of the quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c. I just wrote it here so you can get it in your notes. It's a nice reference point if you don't have that memorized, but you should. Alright, so memorize this. So in order to make a perfect square trinomial, we want to add b divided by 2 squared to ax squared plus bx. Alright, so essentially what we're missing here is our c. So if we add b over 2 squared to this, that would make b over 2 squared our c. So c actually equals b over 2 squared. So that would get plugged in right at the end, and we will always have a perfect square trinomial. So this is a nice little formula that you should remember as well, b over 2 squared. It's going to be important not only here, but later in this section as well, section 4.7. So let's take a look at our first problem. Alright, we want to say we got x squared minus 10x plus c, where our a value is number 1 and our b value is negative 10. Alright, so what we're really interested in this for this case is just the b of negative 10. So we remember c is equal to b over 2 squared. So to get our c, b is negative 10 over 2 squared. Negative 10 over 2 is going to be negative 5 squared. So that tells us c equals 25. So our answer is going to be x squared minus 10x plus 25. And this is a perfect square trinomial. X squared is a perfect square. 25 is a perfect square. Let's try one more, where we've got x squared plus 12x plus c. So we want to take our formula of c equals b over 2 squared. B in this case is 12. So 12 over 2 squared, 12 divided by 2 is 6, so we have 6 squared, and 6 squared is 36, so we can see c equals 36. So I'm going to come up and rewrite our trinomial and substitute in 36 for c. And there's your perfect square trinomial. X squared is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square. Alright, and that's part 2.